We have completed activity book 4 pages and 124 was the homework. Today we will start from the other pages. Okay. So all of you open your activity book. Okay, this is page number 125, question number 13. नहीं मैथ्स का नहीं हुआ वो एवरेज डलेंगे ठीक है हाँ तो एवरेज निकाल लिया था ना जो का आसान था वो एवरेज डाल दिया जैसे जो भी दो नंबर है ना इंग्लिश और उर्दू के दो नंबरों को ऐड करके 2 से डिवाइड कर दे हाँ जो इसमें जो इंग्लिश और उर्दू का जो टेस्ट है उसके मार्क्स टू से डिवाइड कर दिया Yes, beta, this is page 125 of activity book and question number 13. Yes, can anybody explain the question and solution? Yes. Who will explain this question? Hurry up. Question number 13. What is the total mass of four car tires if the mass of each tire is 7 kg? Yes. Page number 125, activity book. The topic is mass. Yes, how can we calculate the mass of se- four car tires? Mass of the tires of four cars. Yes, how many tires will be in four cars? Tires in four cars. Okay, I select one of you, then he will answer. Yes, Umar Mahmood. How many car will be in four cars? How many tires? चार कारों में कितने टायर्स होंगे? Yes. Okay, Mohammed Ahmed. How many tires will be in four car? मैं पूछ रहा हूँ आपसे कि चार कारों में कितने टायर्स होंगे? जी, किसी को नहीं पता? एक कार में कितने टायर होते हैं? और फोर कार्स में how many tires will be in four cars? So 4 multiplied 4 is equal to 16 tires. Okay, and one tire, mass of each tire is 7 kg. So we will multiply 16 by 7. So all of you multiply it and tell me the answer. 16 tires multiplied by 7. 16 multiplied by 7. Yes. This is 125 activity book. We will multiply 7 by 6 first. So 7 6 are 42. So 2 will written under 7 and 4 will carry. And 7 1 is page 125 activity book. Page 125 activity book. Page 125 activity book. Page 125 activity book. Now 7 in the 7 plus 4. 7 in the 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. So the mass of the tires of 4 cars will be 112 kg. Everybody mute yourself until I ask for the unmute. Okay, everybody mute yourself. Don't unmute, there is noise behind you. Okay, the second question is there are the total mass of 9 similar packets of rice is 45 kg. What is the mass of one such packet of rice? Yes, what we will do here? Yes, Rayyan. Muhammad Rayyan. Sayyid Muhammad Rayyan. Not answering. Nobody knows. Unmute yourself. Muhammad, can you tell me how we can solve it? The mass of 9 similar packets of rice is 45 kg. What is the mass of one such packet of rice? How can we calculate it? Yes, yes, Abdullah. How can we calculate? जी जी एक पैकेट का कितना मास होगा? जी किस तरह करेंगे बेटा? अब यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, डिवाइड करेंगे, माइनस करेंगे, प्लस करेंगे। बहुत सारी चीज़ों की वैल्यू दी हुई है और एक की मालूम कर रहे हैं। जी यहाँ पर तमाम इन सब की वैल्यू दे दी और एक मालूम कर रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पर हम लोग डिवाइड करेंगे 45 डिवाइड बाई 9, then we divide it by 9. 45 when we divide 45 by 9, so 9. Yes, what will be the answer? When the number comes in 9 tables, 9 watts are 45, 9 fives are 45. So each packet is 5 kg mass, each mass of each. Okay, this chapter is completed. Now we have another chapter which is fractions. All of you open page जी करना है होमवर्क दिया था मैंने come to page 194 page 194 this is fractions how can we understand fraction look here Fractions are the number. Look here. This is fraction. 1 over 6. 1 over 12 is a fraction. 1 over 9 is a fraction. 1 over 5 is a fraction. Okay. 3 over 4 is a fraction. The two numbers come with a line. Okay. The two numbers come with a line in between. They are called fractions. 15 over 10. This is fraction. Okay. And 1, 2, 3. These are whole numbers. So 120, 194, page 194, fractions, page 194, activity book. The topic is fraction. Page 194, activity book. Page 194. So the first topic of fractions is unit fractions. Unit fractions. Unit means one. Unit means one. So the fractions in which 1 is the numerator. The above number of fraction is called numerator. N-U-M-E, num, R-A-T-O-R. You can write this word at the top of your page. You will write the date here at the top of the page. You write CW, N-U-M-E-R-A-T-O-R. The above number of fraction is called numerator and the lower number of fraction is called denominator. Denominator. Okay, the above number is called numerator and the lower number is called denominator. The fraction made with two numbers. There are two numbers in a fraction. The above number is called numerator and the lower number is called denominator. When the above number, the numerator of a fraction is 1, this is called the unit fractions. When the above number of a fraction is 1, so this is called the unit fraction. And when we draw a diagram for that fraction, so that will be just as the question is given, shade the shapes to show the given fractions. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal partitions in a diagram, and 1 over 6 means one of the part is shaded. So 1 over 6, if we are set, if the question is that shade 1 over 6 of the shape. So what we will do, we will shade one part, one portion of the diagram. Okay, everybody mute yourself. Now, is there any problem to do the remaining questions of this page? How we will draw, how we will shade a unit fraction. We will shade one of the part, one of the partition, one of the portion of each shape if one is there. If two were there, so we should shade we share two parts. Okay, so in all these questions we will shed one of the partition. I'm moving to the next page. So you do it in your homework. Look here, what fraction of the shapes are shaded? When we write a fraction for any shape, so we the same page, next page, 195. 195. When we write a fraction for a shape, So in the denominator, the lower number, we write the total number of parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 total partitions here. So we write 5 in the lower place, that is denominator of the fraction. And in the above fraction, how many are shaded? We write the shaded part. So only one is shaded. So 1 over 5 is the fraction for this shape. Yes, Hazik, tell me the fraction for the second part. Hurry up. Sayyid Muhammad Hazik, all other. Abdullah Tausif, can you tell the answer? Abdullah Tausif, what we will write here? And we read it. The above number will be 1 in the above. Numerator is 1 and denominator is 2. There are two parts. 1, 2, 2 total parts. So we write 1 over 2 here. Okay. Yes, now Muhammad Rayyan, tell me the next part C. Answer of part C. Muhammad Rayyan, are you there? Mohid Asim, can you tell the answer of? Yes, Muhammad Rayyan, yes. 1 over 1 over 7 you are saying. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. You are right. Yes, Mohid Asim, can you tell me the next one? Mohid Asim. Mohid Asim, what we will write here? The fraction. 1 over 6. Very good. Okay. For part E, I am taking Muhammad. Yes, Muhammad. Hurry up, Mohammed. What we will write? What fraction we will write for the shape for of the shapes for shaded part? 1 over. Very good. Very good. 1 over 12. So now Muhammad Ahmed. Hurry up. Tell me the answer of next one. Yes, Muhammad Ahmed. Muhammad Ahmed. Okay. Abdullah Tausif. Unmute yourself and tell me the answer of part F. And Hazik will tell the 1 over 1 over 3. Now, Umar bin Mahmood, hurry up, tell the answer of part G. Umar bin Mahmood, yes. One is shaded. In all the fraction, one is shaded. As our topic is unit fraction, so there are all in all the questions, the shaded part is 1. Yes, how many total parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4. So 1 over 8. Okay, the last question. Yes, this last question from Muhammad. Arya Muhammad. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Or 2 plus 2. Yes, Muhammad. हाँ इंटरनेट को लाइट थोड़ी सी गई थी अभी इस वजह से हो गया होगा. Yes, who is going to answer? Rayyan, Hazik. What is the answer for the last question? Hurry up. 1 over 10. Very good. Now we are moving to the next page, page 197. This is the same question, page 197, page 100. Yes, yes. जब आपकी समझ आ गई है तो फिर आपको कॉपी करने की क्या ज़रूरत है मोहित आसिम? जब आपको समझ आ गया आप खुद से करें ना इसको, तो फिर आप बार बार जी ना 197 is the same, okay? 197 is the same. What fraction of the shapes are shaded? Page 197, page 197. जी बेटा आपकी जब समझ आ गई तो मैं दोबारा नहीं दिखाऊंगा इसको। आपको समझ नहीं आया इसका मतलब अगर आपको देखने की ज़रूरत पड़ रही है तो। हाँ आसिक, why you need to see again and again? One is shaded out of total parts. 194, 194 आप उससे कर रहे हैं इसमें शेड करना है ना। You will shade it. Okay, I did not solve it completely. I just solved one question. Okay, okay, page 197. We have to write the fraction of the shapes are fractions of the shapes are shaded. Yes, for the shaded part we have to write the fractions. Look here, there are two parts shaded, so we write 2 above, and total parts are 6, so we write 6 here. So the fraction for the shaded part is 2 over 6. Just like this all question will be done. Anybody has any question? जी कर लेंगे ना इसको। Okay, page 197 and 198. Okay, you will do it in your home. Yes, page 197. This is your homework, okay? Page 197 and 198 of activity book. Yes. Anybody has any problem, any question? So this work of mixed number is almost completed. Okay, one more class we will take to complete this chapter, inshallah, and we will complete three topics here. So this is the topics number 2, which is your homework, parts of a whole. Parts of a whole. Okay, parts of a whole means a whole figure, and there is two parts are shaded. So we are talking about the parts of a whole figure. So how many parts? In the second figure there are three parts out of eight. There are total eight parts. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. So its fraction will be 3 over 8. Okay. Is there any question? So I'm going to end the meeting now. So prepare for the next class, everybody. Okay. Okay, beta. Inshallah, we will meet again the next class on Thursday. Thursday we have the period, so we will complete This will be the last class for this chapter, fixed number, and we will complete the chapter inshallah. And in the pupils book, what you can do, look here, the work in your pupils book you can do page number 100, and you can see everybody wait for me. I'm just going to discuss the questions of pupils book here. This is the topic fraction. Look here. So look here, you can do it without any problem. This is page 196. 196. Okay, this is page 196 of pupils book. And what you have to do, you have to share the fractions, and these are all unit fractions, so only one part of the fraction, the shape will be shaded. Look here again, same question which we have done in the activity book, page 197. Okay, question number 2 you will do. Okay, leave question number 3. So I'm writing more homework for you here. Page 196 of, and question number 2, page 197 of pupils book. So yeah, see, you can write it in your diary or somewhere you have any copy. Very good, you can go. Those who have written their diaries, they can go and they can leave the room. Okay. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum. The sunnat is Assalamu alaikum when you leave or when you meet. Okay? Always follow it. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.